Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a very special Indian car. So let's check on it. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. So let's go. This is the product diecast scale model of Tata Nexon. So let's unbox it. This is an LJX alloy model in 1:32 scale. Simulated acoustic Eco series. So let's open this. Wow, it has a lot of features and I can't wait to open it. This is the car. It's the Nexon EV. So let's unscrew this. So let's take the model. This is the Tata Nexon 1:32 scale with all openable doors. The tailgate and the bonnet are also openable. And we have a detailed view of engine inside and a very detailed interior in brown color. Wow. Also, this is the miniature model of the Nexon EV. Now let's check the light and sound system. For that we need to remove this plastic piece. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1. And there's one more thing, that this car has suspension for rear wheels. Now let's check the driving of this Nexon. It hit a piece of plant, so let's try whether the Nexon can go. Wow, it did well. Now let's check on the most important function, the pullback action. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.